Three.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mahmoud Abdullah, and today we'll be having a group presentation about cloud computing. What's cloud computing? Right. Cloud computing is a key to the future of information technology (IT). And cloud computing is an umbrella concept, or an umbrella term for a number of different trends or styles. All is involving internet in its potential to simplify the ways we use computers. The cloud is internet, and the term is fitting. It is large, out there somewhere, in fuzzy or ambiguous at the edge. Cloud computing is about putting more of your materials out there in lists on PCs or servers that business runs on. Could you go to the next slide, please? Right. In this diagram, it explains three recognized categories of iCloud computing, which is SAS, in PS, in you got IS. SAS, which is a software as a service, it normally associates with Google Docs, Freshbox, Salesforce, Basecamps in NetSuite and Gmail. We got a platform as a service. In this is Force.com, it's App Engine, it's Azure. These are all which associates with sort of this website, which is a model of cloud computing, which associate with this model of cloud computing. The next level is IS, which is IS stands for Infrastructure as a Service. It normally associates with Rackspace.com, GoGrid in AWS. You could go to the next slide. Right. So I will be explaining a software as a service. Software as a service is a model of, as we see, is a model of cloud computing. It's something ready-made service that you access simply by navigating there in a web browser. Google Mail and Google Docs are example of this kind of cloud computing. The customer doesn't have to worry about software licenses, upgrades, patches, or viruses. This is all responsibility of service provider. Example of software as a software as a service can be office productivity, which you may access online. Also you can go online and you can run some software such as content management software, email software, through the Google Mail, project management software, or you can scheduling software. It's all something available online. And for the next part, my friend Aliki will be explaining the next part in class.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to explain my task, the second task of part one of the cloud computing environment. So that's the next one. Oh yeah, I need to comment. Yeah, that's my part. Is to comment on the service model that my one of the friends, Mohib, just explained, software as a service, to comment on it with regard to the Gartner report. The term software as a service is considered to be part of the nomenclature of the cloud computing, along with infrastructure as a service and platform as a service, as my friend Mohib just explained earlier. According to the Gartner report, software as a service sales in 2010 reached about $10 billion and were projected to increase to about $12 billion in the next coming year, that was 2011. What about nearly 21% increase in just a year? That shows you how popular that's infrastructure, that service is. And the Garnet Group also estimate that the software as a service revenue will be more than double its 2010 numbers by 2015 and reach about $21 billion sales at that time. That was because one of the advantages, the customer relationship management that Salesforce use, this has continued to be largest in the market for software as a service. And also software as a service revenue within the customer relationship management market were forecast to reach about 3.8 billion in 2011 from 3.2 billion in 2010. All right, I'll go to the next one. My next step is to explain how Salesforce.com use cloud computing. According to the case study text, Salesforce.com provides customer relationship management and other application software solution in the form of software as a service, as I said, but it's leased over the internet. What this means is any customer log on to the client machine connected to the internet through a web browser, go through the internet and make their sales or whatever service they need, instead of going and buying hardware and software from a retailing outside and coming to install in their machines. That's what it says. Salesforce.com provides customer relationship management and other application software solution in the form of software as a service leased over the internet, as opposed to software bought and installed on machines locally. That's explained how Salesforce.com uses cloud computing. My friend Zahid is going to explain his task, which is the benefits of task computing. Thank you very much.
Question number 3 is, what value benefits will businesses gain from switching to Salesforce and why? The benefits are flexibility. You can instantly meet the demand for more bandwidth. It's fast and efficient. It's low risk. There is no capital expenditure. And it's low cost and it's pay on demand. It's like elastic services. You pay what you need. The next one is improve organization. You can connect to customers, track records, build application, build website, etc. all online. Automatic software updates is done by Salesforce.com, and the businesses don't have to do anything or request anything. Increased collaboration in terms of document control. It's competitiveness. It's access to enterprise class technology. Even a small business can access to enterprise class technology without spending too much money, like it says it's a low risk or pay on demand service. So you can work from anywhere. It's remote access, and it also has application where you can even work offline. It's partner with major players in the market like Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and it has simplified application development platform. It has custom cloud. You can develop your own software application and register your website or domain and list them on their website through Force.com and Application Exchange. Application Exchange, where you can develop your own software, like developer, they can list their software, they can build it on Force.com and list it on the Application Exchange for other businesses to buy or to download. Industry-wide recognition, like it's a partner with major players, Google and Facebook, and it has innovation, has growth, and it has own social networking called Chatter. The next part of this question is illustrate and annotate sales